Hello friends, this is Sumit and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started special sex educational show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and that too specifically in Kulaba area. So definitely you can visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation from that center. Now let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Sure.
Sir, and you have received lot of questions on your email, on your
Definitely.
official email as well. And
Yeah.
even, sir, we have received lot of questions or comments
Yeah.
on the various videos that we put out on
Definitely.
various social media platforms. So, sir, people want to know scientific information about sex, scientific information about
Yeah.
sexual dysfunction. And, sir, in today's episode, we would like to know about causes and treatment of premature ejaculation.
Correct.
So, sir, to start with, my first question is, sir, what is premature ejaculation? Please tell us.
Yes, excellent. Sumit, today you came up with a very excellent, very demanding topic that is called as a premature ejaculation. In this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are describing this all matter in a very scientific manner in our given frame like a time, place, person, condition, culture, safety and consenting. Premature ejaculation. What is this premature ejaculation? When person is performing the activity, sexual activity, he cannot satisfy himself or he cannot satisfy the partner, and before the satisfaction he used to ejaculate the semen, and this type of activity when ejaculation is within 1 minute called as a premature ejaculation, and which is very cumbersome to both the partners.
Definitely, sir. So, what are different names for this premature ejaculation?
Yeah, definitely. Why this nomenclature is given? When we see in our OPD, they come with us, sir, I am having very early fall, means early ejaculation. I finish my climax very shortly, means short climax ejaculation. Or sometimes I perform for very less and very minimum time. But what is the all inference of these all nominations? That means he cannot perform the sex for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and which is expected for foreplay, play and post play, and he used to drop down within 1 minute. So for that purpose, what is to be done, what are the type, definitely we are going to see in details.
Definitely, sir. We have first caller on the show. We have Prakash from
Yeah.
Baramati. Can we take that
Definitely.
call?
Have it.
Prakash, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is not connected.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
By doing masturbation, whether someone get premature ejaculation?
Excellent.
Okay.
This is a demanding question.
Yes, sir.
Effects and side effects of hastamaithun, means masturbation. What happens, anything in limit is totally taken as a normal. Few persons use a very excessive force for the compression during masturbation that in a reverse manner damages these walls as well as the impulse which goes to the brain is in a very different manner, and he cannot perform with partner, but he can perform with the masturbation. So this is one of the again cause. Those people who are doing occasional masturbation, means for example, if suppose the seminal vesicle is full and first time you are performing, what happens by excitation, immediately you fall down in foreplay only. So in such cases, we advise with the oil and with less compression, do the masturbation so that that field part is emptied, and when we are doing actually with your partner, then you can perform nicely for 10 to 15 minutes. So it is on both sides in limits, normal, over the limits, definitely it can lead to premature ejaculation.
Definitely. Sir, now coming back to our question and answers. Sir, what is incidence of premature ejaculation? Please tell us.
Excellent. See, if you observe in the society, out of 3 men, 1 person is suffering. And what is the age group? From 18 year up to 70 years. So, what I will tell you, this is not a disease, this is a lifestyle disorder in which you are unable to perform for longer time, and day by day you have to learn it by controlling the mind and by controlling your force of masturbation. So, if this is such a big level of incidence, definitely you have to overcome it to satisfy your partner, and definitely it can be done by different method. We will see one by one.
Definitely. Sir, whether this premature ejaculation is a type of sexual dysfunction or not, please tell us.
Yes, correct. It's a very, very big question. See, basically these two are different entities, but due to premature ejaculation, there occurs sexual dysfunction. How?
Okay.
Means you cannot maintain the erection for longer time. Actually, what is erectile dysfunction? When you are performing, your erection has to be maintained for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then only you can satisfy your partner. But by some reason, if you are falling down within 1 minute, how you can maintain it? So, other way around, I will tell you, both entities are different, but this erectile dysfunction occurs due to premature ejaculation, and that's why we compare in this manner. But friends, not to worry, because these things are very nicely treatable in hands of sexologists, urologists and andrologists.
Definitely. Sir, we have one more caller on the show. We have Seema from Ghatkopar. Seema, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Whether premature ejaculation in male causes difficult in orgasm?
Yeah, excellent.
Definitely.
See, again, this I will discuss over here. Both partners are involved with each other. Means unless and until both are satisfied, it is not possible to have a happy married life. What they are asking, if suppose their partner is ejaculating within 1 minute, then how it will affect? The female partner at least require foreplay and postplay minimum for 15 to 20 minutes. So you can tell me how it is possible if that male person is ejaculating in so small time. So definitely what she is asking is correct. Premature ejaculation in males definitely creates a problem for satisfaction of a partner and for giving a nice orgasm to them. But if they will visit the specialist, very nice line of treatment is available, nice counseling is available, and if required, we have a very nice books like a Sukhi Jivan Ka Mantra, unique formula for a happy life. In that, they will get information how to improve that time naturally.
Definitely, sir. Now, again, coming back to our question and answer, one very important question,
Sure.
sir. Sir, what is primary premature ejaculation? Please tell us.
Now you came on classification of premature ejaculation. Basically, in few peoples, they are very apprehensive about partner, very apprehensive about sex. So from beginning, means from 18 years they have started, they just fall down immediately within 1 or 2 minutes. Primarily, means there is no any cause, but due to apprehension, and this is maintained throughout the life, but it is very nicely treatable, called as primary, means there is no cause, but due to only anxiety, they are having premature ejaculation, called as a primary category.
Definitely. Sir, one last question.
sure.
There is one more type which is
Yes.
called as secondary premature ejaculation.
Correct.
Sir, what is this secondary
Yes,
premature ejaculation?
Definitely. Secondary means there is something secondary cause. Means primarily what happens in beginning they are performing very nicely. Their duration for play plus play it is going up to 30 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes also. But due to some reasons, due to aging, due to masturbation, due to dietary fat, due to smoking, alcohol or whatsoever it is, later on their performance is going down and down and down, and they are coming down below 1 minute. So such type of cases of premature ejaculation are called as a secondary premature ejaculation, and it is also treatable nicely by changing the lifestyle and by taking the good treatment with sexologist, urologist and andrologist. So friends, only one thing I will tell you, don't hide these problems. By hiding these problems, you can create a marital conflicts and you cannot satisfy your partner. So, show it earlier and get well and live happily married life.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all this valuable information, sir. But due to time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode. But definitely, we will meet in one more episode with lot of different information and important information. But you can also take Dr. Vijay Dahipale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahipale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai, and that too specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center as well. Well friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.